Get the hell out of here.
Bienvenue dans Inside, l'émission qui ne rate jamais sa cible.
We have no time to waste.
Just don't get yourself killed.
Jeu de simulation armée, Sniper Ghost Warrior nous revient avec une mouture toujours plus réaliste et plus travaillée que jamais. Oubliez visée laser, radar, sprint entre les mines et fusillade bruyante, dans Sniper Ghost Warrior 3, place au tir en cloche, repérage en drone, trekking en forêt et surtout frappe chirurgicale. Après une île tropicale en 2010, puis les Philippines en 2013, on est cette fois-ci envoyé en Géorgie, mais pas pour les vacances, pour couper court à un conflit civil entre trois factions. Rare représentant du genre infiltration sniper réaliste, la série a pourtant essuyé moult critiques, notamment à cause d'une IA mal pensée dans le premier jeu et de sa linéarité dans le second opus.
Please, help us. Get us out of here.
À l'occasion de Paris Games Week, nous avons pu rencontrer Thomas Pruski, senior level designer chez City Interactive, afin de lui demander quelles sont les pièces de ce nouveau sniper. Alors pour commencer, on voudrait savoir une chose. On est juste censé régler un conflit, ou bien il y a anguille sous roche?
We play as John North, an American sniper sent behind enemy lines to Georgia to stop a local separatist cell from taking over the region and posing a threat to the entire country. But this is our official mission. Privately, we also wanted to go there because our brother has been abducted many months before, and we want to find out what happened to him because he has been last sighted in this region. We know he's somewhere there. We want to get him out of there.
Sympa. Mais au fait, le jeu s'adresse à qui? Plutôt à des néophytes ou aux joueurs habitués de la série?
It's for the mass market. So if you play on the lowest default difficulty setting, after you finish the prologue and play the game for a while, the difficulty scales. So at the beginning, it's not very difficult. In general, the game is quite accessible. The shooting mechanics are accessible, even though we decided not to have the red dot. You still have to adjust your scope for distance and be careful because be mindful of the wind because it still pulls the bullet. But it's very accessible in a way that a player who has never played the sniper game before can approach it and play it. But the hardcore players that you mentioned, the hardcore sniper fans, they can choose the more difficult settings, and it's gonna be hard. You will die a lot.
Et au sujet de la durée de vie, on peut s'attendre à quoi au juste?
So I'd say the main single player campaign, the story campaign, is about 15 hours of gameplay. Then the side missions are another 10 hours about, and you have points of interest in the world that you can visit. You can find some collectibles, you can find resources, some small events in the world. So I'd say total with exploration and modifying your weapons, upgrading your character for skills, I guess it's about 30 hours of gameplay.
Pour cet opus, vous avez entendu les critiques et êtes revenu à un monde ouvert. Un jeu d'infiltration dans un open world, vous ne craignez pas la comparaison avec Metal Gear Solid et surtout The Phantom Pain?
You said it. I guess it does have some inspirations in this genre. They did a lot of things well. We play a lot of games and we want to find out what's out there on the market. And Sniper Ghost Warrior 3 feels a bit like it has this accent of Metal Gear and the sneaking around and the hiding of bodies. So yeah, I guess you could say that. We do our own thing, but Metal Gear was one of the inspirations behind some of the elements.
Mais dites, on va arrêter un petit peu ça jouer en finesse, parce que même si c'est un jeu d'infiltration, ça reste un FPS. Du coup, est-ce qu'on peut se la jouer bourrin comme dans un Call of Duty?
If you're very skilled and upgraded, you can play like that, I guess. But yeah, running in to the middle of a location and taking 20 guys head on is going to be hard. Even if you have cover and healing items, it's still doable, but it's going to be hard.
Merci pour ces réponses, mais maintenant on va passer au test inside, bon sniper ou mauvais sniper. Nous allons vous montrer des images de héros et vous allez nous dire s'ils pourraient ou non faire un bon sniper dans votre jeu. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti. On commence simple mais efficace.
All right. We actually went to this movie with the company. They sent us this kind of research, right? So yeah, definitely. I mean, he's dead, so theoretically he couldn't be, but yeah.
On peut continuer à espérer donc. Maintenant, partons loin dans l'espace. Lui, il serait parfait, non?
Predator. I think he'd be too overpowered. I mean, he has camo. He has, you know, auto aim. Maybe a boss.
Un boss, ok, carrément. Mais du coup, pour l'affronter, il faudrait au moins celui-ci.
Terminator. I don't know. He's too big. You know, he's too strong. You can't shoot him with a sniper rifle. Maybe his skin will fall off, but then, you know, then he's unbreakable, basically. Plus, Schwarzenegger is probably super expensive as a voice actor, so...
Dommage. Restons dans les robots encore un peu, tiens. On envoie du lourd?
RoboCop. Same. Too overpowered, too, I don't know, too robotic. He moves too slow. He's not a sniper. He goes in and maybe he could be a warrior.
Peu probable donc. Autre temps, autre ambiance.
Robin Hood. There will be bows in the game, so yes, I guess. I mean, he's too cartoonish. We're aiming for a more realistic approach, but, you know, a guy in a green tunic and a hat with a bow, definitely. Maybe some reference to Robin Hood and the bow gameplay.
À surveiller donc. Et pour finir, restons dans le côté drôle, mais cette fois, un petit peu plus réaliste.
So he could be one of your handlers, your contact that you hear throughout the mission. I don't think he's very good in the field as an operator, but as a contact, maybe. Well, those fish will probably get in his way.
Que vous soyez vétéran des jeux de guerre ou bien planqué dans ceux d'infiltration, il ne fait aucun doute que vous apprécierez Sniper Ghost Warrior 3 et son approche réaliste des conflits armés.
Target's down.
Alors voilà, nous on va retourner camper dans les fourrés et on vous dit à une prochaine dans Inside.